Welcome once again. You are with Dr. Maharajan. We are on a wonderful knowledge sharing session. This time the series is Management and Organizational Behavior. So let us recap what we have studied so far. So we have studied about organizational behavior. We have studied about the managerial skills. We have studied managerial roles. We have studied about the managerial functions, how these are integrated, and all these things. What we are going to study today? Today we are going to study one of the important thing in management. So can you guess the topic? Something like division of work, who will do what, and unity of command. That means employee should receive instruction from only one supervisor, and scalar chain, the hierarchical chain of command within an organization. So these are actually part of what we call the Henri Fayol's 14 principles of management. So Henri Fayol has given a management author, given us 14 principles of management. Let us see one by one. Very important actually. Very interesting also. Division of work. Division of work means specialization. Leads to increase efficiency and productivity. By doing the task again and again, we become more effective or efficient in doing it. Then authority responsibility. So leaders should have the authority to issue commands, and employees should be responsible for their roles, for their actions. So discipline is very, very important in an organization. And we have unity of command and unity of direction. Each employee should receive orders from only one manager, and the organization should have only one goal. All people should be working towards one objective, the organization objective. There should not be any role ambiguity. That is unity of direction. And unity of command means one employee should receive orders from only one manager. If two managers give instruction to the same employee, it becomes dual subordination. So that is something which should not happen actually. There are of course special cases, but as a rule that should not happen. Now let us continue. Division of work. Okay, the job should be divided into small tasks, and each specializes based on the individual skills and expertise. So people should be doing, for example, when we are manufacturing a ready-made garment, somebody should be very creative. That persons may design the cloth, other persons cut the cloth, the next team of tailors, they stitch the cloth. Then there are people who check it for quality control and other things. So it is how it goes. So division of work is given. Then authority and responsibility, we have seen. Leaders should have the authority to give commands and make decisions. Employees should be responsible for their actions. Discipline is adhering to the rules and regulations of the organization. So we have respect for the policies and procedures of the organization. Next we have unity of command, unity of direction, scalar chain we have seen already. Unity of command means one person should get orders from only one manager. Unity of direction, all members in the organization should be working towards a common goal. There should not be role ambiguity. Okay. Then we have scalar chain, the hierarchical command structure. Then order means there should be a place for everything, and everything must be in its place. So a structured environment. It applies to not only machines and material, it applies to human beings also, where each person will be seated, where each person will be working. So order is very, very important in organization. Then we have equity and stability of tenure. Equity means fair and just treatment for all the employees. All employees, there should not be any partiality and sort of things. All employees should be treated equally. Then stability of tenure. The employees need time to learn their roles and contribute effectively. So people must be allowed to work, and people must be retained in the organization as far as possible. We should reduce the turnover, reducing disruptions and other things to improve productivity. Next we have some more like esprit de corps. It is actually the initiative, that is the camaraderie among the teammates, building a sense of team spirit among the employees, and that motivates to employees to strive for their best. Employees should give their best. So that's the idea. a collaborative work environment. So everybody is geared towards fulfilling the organizational objectives. So that's the idea here. Now let us see what you have learned so far. So what are the Fayol's 14 principles of management? Next, how these principles contribute to organization efficiency. And can you give me a clear example or case study of how Henri Fayol principle is applied in a company or an organization? So work out these answers and you can check these answers here. Henri Fayol's 14 principles: division of work, authority, responsibility, discipline, unity of command, unity of direction, scalar chain, order, equity, stability of tenure of personnel, initiative. Employees should be allowed to take initiatives, and esprit curves, remuneration, centralization, decentralization, and order. Centralization and decentralization, they refer to the where the powers are concentrated in one person, or power is actually decentralized to others. So all these principles, they create structure and they ensure a harmonious work environment. Okay, you can see unity of command, unity of direction in organizations. Fine. So these are the further references. You can check. There's a book by Henri Fayol himself, General and Industrial Management. So this series, we have contributed so much. Watch out for more. This is Dr. Maharajan signing off. Thank you. Bye.